I have Porter cable 16 Ga. Straight finish nailer.it won't fire, just hisses at the trigger when head is depressed and trigger pulled.
Hi. John, what happened is the seal on the trigger or the piston housing probably went south and needs to be replaced. It isn't so hard a thing to do, I can tell you how. Do you feel this is within your comfort and skill level? Thanks, Eddie.
Definitely, I repair everything I have. Can you point me to part numbers and where to get them?
Absolutely. You'll have to give me a little time though, because I am wrapped up with a bunch of other things. A couple of hours or less. In the meantime, get me whatever info you can. On the model, serial number. And what nails it takes. I imagine it is an angled stick nailer? Or straight? Let me know. Thanks, Eddie.
Thanks. Here we are. Porter cable model FN250C straight nailer. 2009 37-47 is stamped on the side along with serial number 279277 Taiwan.
Okay, what we want to do is replace the O-rings if necessary and the trigger assembly. You can get these at ereplacementparts.com. Telephone number ///P O-ring replacement kit, part number N001119 for 21.14, trigger valve assembly part number 647622 for 14.60. It could be just an O-ring, but my experience has been to replace the trigger also, so there is no question. Besides, I'm not sure if in the O-ring kit has the small O-ring replacement for that. You can call to be sure. I hope you have found my answers insightful and with content to your satisfaction. I trust you were able to make an informed decision, or better yet, your problem was resolved. Or will be. If you need anything else home improvement wise, construction, decorating, or any kind of repairs, etc., please look for me. It has been a pleasure. Customer/P.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.